boys and girls. We're in that second week of February. We're moving right along. Let's see here today. We're almost middle of the week now, all right? So let's see if we can figure out what the day is today. So we're going to turn this card over and I'm going to look up here and it starts with a W. Which day of the week starts with W? Wednesday starts with W. It is Wednesday. What number would you expect to see here? What comes after 9? 10. So let's see if we can say the date today. Today is Wednesday, February 10th, 2021. What day of the week will tomorrow be? What comes after Wednesday? It's the one that starts with TH. Thursday. What number would you expect to see there? It's the number we've been working with this week with our subtraction problems. 11. Tomorrow will be the 11th. All right. So let's start with some of those. Let's subtract some of those big numbers from 11. And I'm going to put them in my head because I don't have 11 fingers. I can't work just my fingers to do 11. So I'm going to use my smart brain and trust it to keep those numbers in there. So the first one we're going to do is 11, take 5 away. So I'm going to put 11 in my head. You do this with me on your fingers. And I'm going to put 5 up. Now I'm not going to count on and say 11, 12, 13. We're taking things away. We're subtracting. So I have to count backwards like you're counting down like to blast off, right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? So we're counting backwards because we're taking things away. We're taking them off. So I'm going to put 11 in my head. And I'm going to put up what I want to take away from 11. Okay? Now I'm going to count back from 11. I'm going to say 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 11, take 5 away, does equal 6. Then we'll do 11 minus 6. All right? I'm going to keep 11 right up here. I'm going to put 6 up. Okay? But I'm not going to count on. I'm going to count backwards when I get down to here. I'll put 11 in my head. I'm going to touch my head and say 11. Then I'm going to go to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 11 minus 6 is 5. And I'm going to do 11 minus 7. I need lots of fingers for that one. And I need to put 11 in my head and then count back all these. Okay, we can do it. Okay, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay. And let's do 11 minus 8. Now I like to do 8 like this because I just know 4 and 4 is 8. That's a double, I know. So whenever I do anything 8 on my fingers, I always just do it with my fingers and keep my thumbs down because I know that's 8. So I'll put 11 in my head. Then I have to count backwards all these. Okay, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And then I have to take 9 away. That means all these except one thumb. And I have to count backwards all of them. I can't do any fast tricks on this one because we're not adding things up. Okay, we're taking things away, so I got to count them all. All right. So put 11 in my head, and I'm going to touch my head when I say 11. And then I'm going to start backwards. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And then what do you think if we did 10? We did 11, take away 10. Because, I mean, I see a pattern over here, right? I see 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. It's like counting down 2. What would you expect 11 minus 10 to be? I think it's going to be 1. But let's check. We can do it with our fingers. Let's see if we can do it. All right. We're going to take 10 away, so I have to count backwards all these. Okay. Put 11 in my head, and I'm going to count back. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 11 minus 10 is 1. Good job. Now, I told you that this week we have 2 new sight words, was and are. And today we're going to work on are. Now, it sounds like you're just saying the letter R, right? But it actually has 2 vowels in between the letter R to make the word, A-R-E, okay? So we're going to write R today. First, I'm going to write a sentence that says, we are going to the zoo. 6 words. We are going to the zoo. Okay. We know how to spell that. We need a capital letter at the beginning, though, because it's our first word. We. And then I'm going to leave a nice space, and I'm going to write my new sight word are. Now, I said it takes 2 vowels plus the R, right? So it's A-R-E. R is in the middle. R. We are. And we've talked about those ing words. When you hear ing at the end of a word, what letters is that? It's I-N-G. So, I'm going. We know go, G-O, right? So we need to add ing to the end to make it going. We are going. G-O-I-N-G. To, we know that word, T-O. And we know the, and leave a nice space though. We are going to the, how do you spell zoo? Z. We need a Z and then O-O. Z-O-O, zoo. We are going to the zoo. And I'm just going to put a period there. And then I'm going to go on and say something else about going to the zoo. All right? I'm going to say, I will see a seal. 5 more words. New sentence, 5 words. I will see a seal. I, talking about yourself, capital letter, always, plus it's at the beginning of a sentence. I. Then I'm out of space there. I've got to finish my sentence down here. Will. Yep. It starts with W. It's W-I-L-L. I will. Next word is see. We've had that word before. It's S-E-E. I will see. And then A, that's just one letter, right? But when it's in a sentence by itself, it's a word. I will see a. And what do you think seal starts with? Seal. Starts with S. S-E-A. What does it end with? Seal. It ends with L. And then I'm just going to use a period on that. Okay, let's read it together. We are going to the zoo. I will see a seal. When the weather gets warmer, maybe you'll be able to go to the zoo. Have a great day.